All right, beauty family. So I partnered with Naturtint to review their permanent hair color that is ammonia free, and I'm so excited to give this one a try. I'm going to be using the shade 10N Light Dawn Blonde. As you can see, I have my regrowth. So I have the dark regrowth and I have gray hairs. So I'm going to be doing a root touch up. So let's see how well Naturtint holds up to this mess going on right there. Okay, so you're just going to keep making, like, I don't know, I usually do around 1/4 inch of a part throughout my whole head. Okay, so I just finished applying it. It says to leave it on for 30 minutes. If you have stubborn grays, you can leave it on up to 40 minutes, which is what I'm going to do. I will see you on the flip side. All right, here's my finished look. I can't believe it. Would you look at that part? It's amazing. It covered my grays. It covered my dark regrowth. Why, thank you, Naturtint. I love you. Mwah!